While the iPhone SE may not enjoy the same level of recognition as Apple's flagship iPhone lineup, it has experienced a resurgence in recent years with the introduction of new models in 2020 and 2022. The outlook for the future of the iPhone SE is uncertain. Conflicting rumors and reports about the potential release of an iPhone SE 4 abound, with predictions from notable analyst Ming-Chi Kuo even suggesting that the device may have been cancelled. So is it really coming out? Let's find out. Design. If Apple is indeed developing another iPhone SE, there's a possibility that it might feature a 6.1-inch screen, similar to Apple's contemporary flagship phones. In contrast, the existing iPhone SE has a 4.7-inch screen with noticeable black bars at the top and bottom, resembling the design of the iPhone 8. The specific iPhone model that the new iPhone SE might draw inspiration from remains uncertain. Apart from Kuo's 2019 report, both well-known leaker John Prosser and analyst Ross Young, CEO of Display Supply Chain Consultants, have suggested a larger screen and a design resembling the iPhone XR for the next iPhone SE. A MacRumors article from September 2023 indicated that the iPhone SE 4 could adopt a modified version of the iPhone 14's chassis, and this point was reiterated in November. Considering the more recent nature of MacRumors reports, it appears plausible to anticipate that the next iPhone SE will adopt the appearance of the iPhone 14. Touch ID or Face ID? Enthusiasts of Apple's Touch ID fingerprint sensor may face disappointment, as per MacRumors report suggesting that the upcoming iPhone SE will incorporate Face ID, aligning with the feature found in other recent iPhones, rather than retaining Apple's fingerprint sensor. This contradicts Kuo's 2019 report, which proposed that the next iPhone SE would opt for a smaller notch area without Face ID, featuring Touch ID integrated into the power button. This approach seems reminiscent of Apple's strategy with its 10th generation iPad, 5th generation iPad Air, and 6th generation iPad mini, all of which have Touch ID incorporated into the top button. Is it getting Type-C or Action button? Apple's upcoming budget-friendly iPhone may share some features with the iPhone 15. Given that Apple transitioned to USB-C for the iPhone 15 series to adhere to new European regulations, it's plausible that the iPhone SE 4 might also move away from the Lightning connector. MacRumors supports this idea by suggesting that the iPhone SE 4 will indeed incorporate USB-C. What's particularly unexpected in MacRumors' narrative is the potential inclusion of the Action button in the iPhone SE 4. This key, currently exclusive to the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, serves for programming shortcuts. It's an intriguing choice, considering the Action button currently stands out as a significant feature distinguishing Apple's premium iPhone models from their entry-level counterparts. Camera. When it comes to cameras, according to MacRumors, there's a possibility that the next iPhone SE could feature a 48-megapixel single camera, a potential similarity with the iPhone 15, which also boasts a 48-megapixel main camera. If this report holds true, it implies that the iPhone SE will differ from Apple's pricier models by having only one rear camera. In contrast, the standard iPhone 15 includes wide and ultra-wide cameras, while the Pro versions come equipped with wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto cameras. Processor. The iPhone SE typically incorporates the same processor as Apple's most recent flagship iPhone. For instance, the 2022 iPhone SE shares the same chip as the iPhone 13, released in September 2021. Given this historical pattern, where Apple's latest mobile chip becomes a key feature of the iPhone SE, it seems unlikely that Apple would deviate from this practice. Kuo initially suggested that the next iPhone SE might feature an Apple-made 5G chip. However, it's uncertain if this prediction remains valid, as Kuo later revised his estimate, indicating that the device in question might be an engineering prototype designed for testing the 5G chip. Additionally, MacRumors reports that the iPhone SE 4 is expected to come equipped with an Apple-made 5G modem. The upcoming 4th generation iPhone SE has the potential to be one of the most intriguing iPhone updates in years, primarily due to the uncertainty surrounding its features. If the leaks, rumors, and reports are accurate, Apple's budget iPhone might undergo a significant transformation in terms of design, functionality, and screen size, anticipated to occur either in the coming year or by 2025.